No, you don't have to open it. You have to read it.
Cool!
What's got there?
Oh, Star Wars. How cool.
What kind of guy?
Yeah.
Master Yoda!
Well, it don't roll up.
Yoda.
and kick up.
Wait, show me
Look
Yoda.
like a crazy cord.
Oh, yeah, I got video.
All right.
A video.
No. Secret agent walkie-talkie pair.
Oh,
That's just-
no.
Oh, dude, that'd go good with your watch.
Yeah.
I want to see what's in it.
Well, you only got a couple more gifts. Why don't you open those first?
A new Wii remote.
All right. Your old one's
Hey,
been...
I got some
What is that?
charging dock station.
Oh, man. You know what that's for?
What?
That's when you... That's to keep your batteries from going dead on your Wii... On your
Okay,
Wiimotes.
let's get started.
No,
Come on.
no.
I don't have nothing else to take pictures of. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go now.
No!
What is that, Nathan?
I'm
ready to go to
loaded!
You want
Oh,
one?
man. That'd go good with your skeleton man, won't it?
Awesome, dude. Wait, let me take a picture. Oh, the human body. Wait,
And at the head.
let me see. Okay, now let me do one with your head. No, hold it beside your head.
Gracie?
Head and the head.
Okay, now look at it.
And needing a new one of these.
Now what have you got?